so important to really look for help from other people. I know that a lot of us are hyper-independent and we feel like, we can manage on our own, but it's very, very important to, as Sugar said, find your tribe because there's so many people out there. And if there's one thing that this show taught me and really reminded me of, is that none of us are alone, none of us is an island, and there are so many people going through the same experiences that we're going through. So, yeah.
Yung particular letter po na nabigla ako yung sinabi po na kailangan mo mag-thank you. Kasi dun ko na-realize na paano nga ba kung mawala na yung mga taong mahal mo sa buhay mo. So kung hindi ka nakapag-thank you sa kanila, parang yun yung magiging pagsisisihan mo. So masasabi ko lang na habang andyan pa yung mga taong mahal nyo, magpasalamat tayo and anything na ibibigay sa atin, pasalamatan natin.